All right, guys. Well, I want to kind of change things around a little bit since, as we know, and last landing page we tested, it didn't really go so well. So, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hire a copywriter to write this out for me. And here's the reason why I'm doing this is well, because I usually write my own copy. I enjoy doing it. I'm very good at it, but unfortunately, I have a whole company to run. I got to build this software. We're optimizing um, the ClickTools software. We're making it way better. We're adding features, and we already run multi-million dollar campaigns as at this very moment. So it's hard for me to dedicate the time that I need to write a new landing page from scratch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Upwork, and I'm gonna hire a copywriter to help me do that. And I guess the rule or the lesson here is like either you have time or you have money, right? Like you either put one or the other. So if you're just starting out and you don't have a budget, then it's easier for you to spend the time and learn and apply yourself and build your own page. But if you already have, let's say, like an existing job or something like that, and you have some extra money that you can invest, then you can basically pay somebody to do some things for you. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna create a post, and we're gonna hire a copywriter that will help us write a simple advertorial. So let's see, sales and market. So let's say writing, copywriting. That's the category. The name of the job post, I would say copywriter needed for um, for advertorial landing page. Okay, and if you're not familiar, an advertorial is it's a page that's written in an editorial style. So we're gonna so it's basically like a different format than this. It will have a lot more information, and we'll see how we can. And yeah, we'll basically write it out and change the format here. Um, so we're gonna click next. The description. Hi, I'm looking for a talented copywriter who can write an advertorial landing page uh, for a what's the category of this? Let's say for an entrepreneur, for an entrepreneur training program. You can view link here. We want to create something that helps that motivates people who want to start their own business, and the objective is to sign up to the webinar and ultimately buy the $1,000 online product. Yeah, I would say need this ASAP. You must have previous experience writing advertorials. Alright, pretty simple. It's a one-time project. I'm gonna add a screening question. Do you have links to your previous advertorials? I don't need a cover letter. Copywriting, sales writing. Location, this is worldwide, is fine. Anyone can see my job. I pay a fixed price. I want an expert. I'm gonna say $750. Yeah, I think $750 is good enough. Again, I don't have a lot of experience hiring for advertorials, but that should be enough. I mean, you can also do less if you're on a budget. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna post a job, and that's all we're gonna do right now. We're gonna wait. Advertorial examples. Yeah, so I need, so in order to do something like this, I'm gonna need also, I need a layout for this kind of article. So maybe I'll post, I can post as well to a designer that can design this advertorial page. I need a web designer. Logo design. I mean, I could do this on, let's see, I guess I could do this on Instapage, but the weird thing about Instapage and ClickFunnels is that they aren't that well optimized to do advertorials. That's what I don't love about them. So I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna post we'll do a design from scratch, I guess. Graphic design, logo, where's web design? Web, okay, web and mobile design and advertorial sales are advertorial landing. Hi, looking for a talented web designer who, and the reason why I'm hiring a web designer instead of a web developer is because a web developer, so what's happened now, I guess, in the world is that web developers they're pretty much a commodity. There's a lot of web developers out there that can do whatever it is you want. The hard part is actually explaining to them what it is you want. And that's why I prefer actually hiring web designers, because then once you have the design, getting a developer to code that up is really easy. You You can pay way less for that. Instead of trying to hire a web developer to do your web design, then it's a real problem. That's why I'm hiring a web designer. Looking for a talented web designer who has experience designing advertorials that sell products. The format is designed to look like a reputable editorial publisher. We want someone who can reproduce that style and help us come up with a look of our own. Please, if interested, please send samples of your previous work. Right, one-time project, create landing page. So web design, graphic design, worldwide. So I need just one freelancer, anyone. Pay a fixed price, expert. And we'll do $500 for this. Yeah, I mean, if you're on a budget, again, this is something that you can do yourself. Or you can probably, yeah, I mean, you can actually download other advertorials. What I'm gonna do, obviously, if I'm doing this, I'm gonna once I get my landing page, I'm going to put it so you guys can use it as well once it's fully designed. And it's no guarantee that it'll work, as you guys have seen. So far the campaign has no sales, but we will see if this combination will do better getting an advertorial. And again, this is something I usually do myself. I mean, you can also do something like ClickFunnels. You can do Instapage, and we are working actually on ClickTool to build a landing page environment that will allow you to create very cool high converting landing pages, specifically dedicated for landing pages and the things that we know work, like advertorials, because ClickFunnels and Instapage aren't really optimized for advertorials, so that's kind of a shame. So we're gonna do that ourselves. So if you if you're interested in that kind of stuff and seeing all the new features we have, you're welcome to sign up to ClickTool. You will keep, we're in beta right now, so we're optimizing everything as fast as we can and adding new features. Anyways, that's it for today. Pretty simple, but again, just trying to show you my process. Showing you the real stuff that goes on and how you can make a campaign work, even if you don't get a home run from the start. Just keep grinding at it and eventually we'll get it.